This video is in reference to your question number, that is your exercise question number 12D. Okay. Also in this video we shall discuss about some conceptual questions regarding the HTML. Also at the end of the video we will go for an interesting topic. Okay. So your question was, how will you view an HTML document in a web browser? Okay. So these were the steps. Okay. So we'll follow these steps. Okay, so first we need to open the Internet Explorer. So I am going to the taskbar and I am searching the Internet Explorer. Okay, so I have opened the Internet Explorer. Okay, so it is taking a time. Okay, so by default now you will see there is a no menu bar. Okay, so in this next step now, that is step number 2, you will find the menu, file menu. Okay, so in this Internet Explorer sometimes the file menu is not visible. Okay, it is hidden, so you need to click the Alt V. Okay, when you click the Alt V you will find the menu bar. Okay, so the next step we need to go the file. Okay, file menu. So in the file menu we should go to the open option. Okay, so I have clicked the open. Okay, so in this open you will get the browse option. Okay, so you need to click the browse option. Okay, if you remember that in the last class now we have saved the file in the desktop. Okay, so I am going to the desktop, and we have given the file name as hello. Okay, so I am searching hello, so this file name appears. Okay, I need to click on the open option. Okay, so when I click the open option, this tabs will look like this. Okay, so then you need to click the OK. Okay, so I click the OK. Now you will see your HTML document. Okay, so these are the steps according to your exercise book. Okay, so alternatively we can do one thing now. You just need to go to the file. Okay, that is as I saved the file in the desktop, so I go to the desktop and I need to double click the document. Okay, so I save the document as hello.html, so I just double click the document. Okay, so the HTML document will appear, look like this. Okay, so these are the two steps. Okay, that you can use to open the HTML document. Okay, so one thing to say that I missed in the last class now, how to edit the HTML document when you save the document. Okay, so this is your HTML document. Suppose you want to edit the file. Okay, you want to add something new in this HTML document now, just click the file. Okay, and right click the document. So in this right click the document, you will find open with. Okay, in this open with now, yeah, you may have different editor. Okay, so I have a Visual Code Studio. Also you may have uh, Notepad by default. Okay, so I will use the Notepad by default. So in this that is, you need to open with the Notepad na. By default your Windows provide you Notepad. Okay, so you need to click Mode Apps. Okay, in this Mode app you will get the Notepad. Okay, if or sometime it will appear at the first window. Okay, so you need to click the Notepad, and if you click the if you tick that option, your file will always open with the Notepad. Okay, so I'm not opening the file always. Okay, so I have clicked the Notepad and your file will appear. Okay, so at that part na, at that window you can rename your file. Okay, and you can save your file. Okay, so these are the topics that I missed in the first class. Okay, So as in the previous video na, I told you that you need a web browser to run a HTML document. Okay, so you need to remember one thing: your web browser na does not show your HTML code. Okay, rather na your, as you use different types of text na, this text, suppose HTML head, title, there are different types of text are there na. This text will tell the web browser that how to display the code. Okay, suppose if I double click the file na, double click the hello.html that we saved in the last class. Okay, so in this file now you can see, suppose this is the HTML tag now. This HTML tag will tell the browser that this is an HTML document. If you do not use the HTML tag, then your browser will not understand. Your browser will consider that this particular document is a normal document or a text document. Okay, it will not consider it as a web document or a web page. Okay, similarly you have used the head tag. Okay, in this head tag you have written the title tag. Okay, you have written the title tag. So this is the title tag. Okay, so this title tag you basically use, this is the title tag na, that we need to use when you need to show any particular when you need to show the document heading. Okay, so this is, I have written the my first document. Okay, within the title tag, this title tag will tell the browser that na the user wants to show wants to show the heading. Okay, wants to show the heading in the top of the browser. Okay, so this is the written my first website. Okay, this my first website, this my first website is visible here. Okay, so this title tag will tell the browser that na the user wants to show the my first document in the topmost position of the browser. Okay, similarly I have written the a body tag. Within the body tag I have written the paragraph tag. Okay, I have written the paragraph tag. Similarly within the paragraph tag I am making a break line. Okay, so again I have written the h1 tag. Okay, so this this text now will nothing but only tell the browser, this text will only tell the browser that na the user wants to show in this manner. Okay, so I have written the paragraph tag. So there is a paragraph tag and it is written hello world. Okay, similarly I have written I have made a br tag. Okay, so this br tag make a space or make a break line. Okay, so similarly I have used the h1 tag. So h1 tag basically is when we want to make any large font. Okay, so so h1 tag I have used now. So these tags na are telling the web browser that the user wants to show the document in this manner. Okay, so you need to remember that your browser will not show the HTML document, rather your text will tell the browser that how you want to show the document. Okay, so the interesting topic is that na, as some of you demanded in the first class that how to host the website. Okay, how to host the website live. Okay, so so this is a site. Okay, that I used to develop, that I used to make fun in earlier days. Okay, so if you go to the address j a h a n dot c. Okay, so if you go to the address jahan.cf now you will get a website. Okay, so in this website, so in this website that I used to upload different types of projects. Okay, in earlier days. So yeah, if you have a deep interest in the computer science topic or in the HTML. Okay, so we'll go at the end of the year. Okay, so if you get enough time after covering the syllabus, okay, so we will get we'll host a site in at the live platform. Okay, so you will make, if you make a website at your own, and then that you want to host now, so at the end we will see how to host that particular websites. Okay, so I hope your doubt will be cleared. Okay, so if you have any confusion, you can ask me at the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.